Okay. So that's your current club there. All right, so just trying to get this fitting taken care of for you. So it's your 7-iron X-Flex shaft. It's pretty good. Right now, those are what, 2 up?
2 up. Yeah.
All right. So let's confirm here that we've got the right fit for you. So what I did is I brought a couple irons here for you that are similar to what your specs are. Just 2 up. Actually, excuse me, 2 down. We got flat, standard, and I got a different brand in the 2 up, just with a different shaft seat. So I like that one there. So that's what you've already been fit for. So that's pretty good. So let's check this one here. So let's go. Yours are 2 up. Let's go 2 flat, the same shaft, and then we'll compare and see. What would you say your miss is if you do miss with those clubs? Do you think that you're more on the heel or on the toe when you're hitting that? Because on the sticker it looked pretty good, but
more towards toe, I would think.
Right. Get a little toe hooky, right to left. Okay, go for it. Okay, that's pretty good. Hit that again. Show the camera what we're kind of dealing with here. We're using the stickers here for the bottom of the club to determine where he's striking these, determine the fit. All right, those are, if anything, it's a little bit out more towards the toe, even though I put that on backwards there, but you hit those pretty well.
Yeah.
So I mean, it looks like just maybe it would be like 1 degree flat basically is what this is showing here. But let's keep kind of researching this because we know where that one's at. So that's like 1 degree flat, basically how you're hitting it. All right, let's go with a standard. Would you rather hit a blade or kind of a cavity valve?
Let's start with a cab.
All right, there you go. So that's standard. Standards lie with the same exact shaft, I believe, or pretty similar shaft to what you have on your current club. I think you have a newer model shaft on there.
Project Access.
Yeah, pretty similar. Yours is a little bit, it's like the LZ. It's a little bit different. No big deal. Another one. Hitting them all pretty similar distances, so it's a good thing.
Yeah.
Ball flight and the shape is pretty similar. Okay. Pretty solid. You see that one there. All right, so that's pretty similar to the other one. Maybe a little bit more towards the toe on that one. That's just standard. So let's put this, and let's try one other one. I want to try something, just since we're doing a fitting. I'm going to have you hit one flat. I'm going to just have you hit a little different shaft with 2 up and see if that one helps you out. That's X-Flex. I believe your current shafts are X-Flex as well.
Yeah.
So that's 2 up. So it's basically the same exact setup, just a different brand, a little different shaft. I just want to try something. Higher,
Yeah.
but pretty straight. Hit another one so we can get kind of a little reading on there. So that's the new Apex Pro.
It's all the higher golf right?
Yeah, I think it's just basically where the center of gravity is on the bottom of that club. I mean, those are poker straight, bro. Let's see where you're getting that one at. I mean, they're all consistent. They're all very consistent. You're just in between the very center, and you get out towards kind of +2, which would set you up for that. You know, your current clubs are too upright. Let's have you hit this one. It's a little different head with a little lighter shaft. This is standard as well. I just want to see if the shaft is changing anything. Because right now, all of your numbers are almost, they're all really close. That's blade. I mean, that's a little different club than what you've been hitting. So that one, you know, you have to hit that thing pure every time. But I just really wanted to see what with the different shaft and where you would hit that. A little quick. Yeah, I wouldn't think that would be the club for you. I'm sure that if you played with that enough, you'd probably be able to figure that club out. Let me just see that. I mean, you're still hitting those pretty well, and this is still showing you almost at up 2 with a standard. So right now, let's have you hit yours again. I'm going to put another thing of tape on yours, and we're just going to kind of, just want to
grab some water real quick.
Sure thing. I just want to confirm that, you know, you did get correctly fit. I mean, I know you were fit by a one of the fitting gentlemen from Srixon, which, you know, I would hope that they know what they're doing, I believe. So let's put this back on there. I want you to try this one more time, and then we'll kind of go on from there. So looks a little wet, so it should stay on. So let's see if they did it right. You should be a little warmed up, and hopefully the clubs that you have currently are the right ones.
Yeah, we'll see.
One may have been a little, on grass would have been a little heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing about hitting off of live boards. You get that different type of that takeoff, because you really can't hit a bad shot. It's more or less just for the fitting to see where we need to be. So. See that? Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, you're basically hitting that thing almost exact. I mean, there's two hits on there. Mostly, you had one that was a little bit more towards the heel, and one that just kind of got up over the 2 upright. So, I mean, if I were to fit you, I would almost fit you for a standard, or maybe 1 up, and you just got fit by Srixon.
Yeah, correct.
And they fit you for.
Well, I mean, I have the 2 up right now.
You have 2 up right now, but
Yeah.
what is your new fitting?
New fitting is standard, with a little bit different of a shaft,
Okay.
Stiff shaft opposed to the X shaft.
Okay.
I thought it was a little bit too heavy, and yeah, we put it back to standard. So
Okay, so you agree that most likely you should be around
Yeah.
standard fit, maybe worst case 1 up, but if they fit you for standard, I mean, I would agree with that. I mean, I think that you'll adapt to the clubs that, you know, somewhat that you're a good player. But yeah, I think that with the clubs that you have right now, I think why you're getting some of those miss hits is definitely because it looks like if anything, we're more towards the heel, because we're showing here, if you look at this, it's showing -3 degrees, which would be taking this flat.
yeah.
So with doing this, getting you back to basically neutral with the standard, a standard lie angle. I think that's really going to help your game.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, good. All right, well, we'll keep working on these irons and try to come up with something else here with maybe even your fairway woods too and things like that.